Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest and most exciting developments in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into the high-revving world of supersport motorcycles with a closer look at the 2026 Honda CBR 600RR. A staple in the middleweight category, the CBR 600RR has always balanced razor-sharp performance with daily usability. For 2026, Honda refines its winning formula with updated styling, improved aerodynamics, and enhanced electronics, making this machine more capable and thrilling than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 CBR 600RR showcases an aggressive new design inspired by its MotoGP sibling, the RC213V. The front cowl features sharper lines and integrated winglets for added downforce at high speeds. Sleek LED lighting and a more compact tail section contribute to a cleaner, race-ready profile. The updated bodywork improves airflow and rider comfort, while bold new graphics and color options like Championship Red and Matte Black Metallic ensure the bike looks just as fast as it feels, whether it's parked or in motion. Performance and powertrain. Powering the CBR 600RR is a refined 599 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that's been tuned for better throttle response and a broader torque curve. Paired with a slick 6-speed transmission and an assist/slipper clutch, the bike delivers exhilarating acceleration and smooth downshifts. The lightweight chassis and updated suspension components provide incredible agility and feedback, making it ideal for both track days and spirited canyon rides. With launch control, multiple riding modes, and refined traction management, the 600RR is sharper and more responsive than ever before. Safety and technology. The 2026 CBR 600RR brings serious tech to the table. A new 5-inch TFT display provides intuitive access to riding data, settings, and smartphone connectivity. Advanced rider aids include lean-sensitive ABS, wheelie control, and cornering traction control for added safety and confidence. The electronic steering damper enhances high-speed stability, while full LED lighting ensures visibility in all conditions. Track enthusiasts will appreciate the onboard lap timer and data logging functions, making it easier to fine-tune performance. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda CBR 600RR stays true to its roots while embracing modern advancements, making it a top-tier choice in the supersport segment. With aggressive styling, race-bred technology, and everyday rideability, it's a machine built for riders who want thrilling performance without compromising control. Whether you're carving corners or pushing lap times, the new CBR 600RR is engineered to deliver pure excitement. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews, previews, and coverage from across the automotive and motorsport world.